What's up, guys? My name is Zaman. You are watching Zaman Yaqub's YouTube channel. Last couple of videos I've been doing in Sinhala, but there were so many requests to do in English and Tamil as well. So this particular video I'm gonna do it in English, and then going forward, the future probably I will try my best to do in all three languages, including Tamil as well. So we are going to be talking about 7 mistakes that most of the entrepreneurs make. Let's get into the video. If you are new to my channel, this channel talks about sales, business, entrepreneurship and tech reviews. If these topics interest you, make sure you subscribe and you ding the bell, so in the future if there are any new uploads you will get the notification. So when we get into the topic, most of us would like to be an entrepreneur, but most of us do a lot of mistakes on the way and then we fail to achieve our goals, so we fall back and we may go back to our daily routine of maybe getting back to our 9 to 5 job. So these are a couple of things that which is very important that you have to look into and practice on a daily basis, so you will succeed on your entrepreneurship. First thing is you need to have a plan. A lot of people don't have a proper plan. Without planning you cannot succeed. You got to know what you want to do, how you want to do, when you want to do, with what you want to do. So you got to make sure that you know the answers for those 4 questions. That way you will have a goal, what you're going to do, and you will make sure you line up all your resources accordingly, and then you will have a timeline and you're going to know what needs to be done so you can follow up. Second thing is spending too much money in the beginning. This is a very bad practice. You're starting up and then you don't want to spend a lot of money on something in the beginning itself. It has to be you have to do it gradually. Along with your process and your progress, you got to pump in more money so you could go to the next level. That is how most of the successful entrepreneurs have succeeded. Third point is trying to do everything by yourself. This is the next biggest mistake that most of the entrepreneurs do. You can't do everything by yourself. You have to delegate the work. You have to give your work to others part by part in order for you to be able to monitor and for you to have a free mind. You have to be the mastermind behind the game. You have to keep thinking and you have to keep follow-ups and you have to make sure everything is in line and everything's working according to your plan. So that is your third mistake that you're going to do. The fourth mistake is going to be trying to make everything perfect before launching. Some people may argue, it has to be perfect before launching, but then if you try to make things perfect, sometimes things may not go according to your timetable. It may take longer. And when you're trying to make it perfect, there may be a lot of additional expenses or more expenses which are going to incur. So we have to make sure that as long as it's right, and it doesn't have to be perfect, we are going to go ahead with it and start whatever the venture we are going to do or whatever the product or the service that we are going to launch. Next point, the fifth point is going to be not serving potential clients. You have to make sure that you do a proper survey and find out which client base you're hoping to cater. That's very important. If you haven't done that, you may start serving the wrong client base, and initially you may get some progress, but then when it comes to the next stage, when the repeat customers, when it's the second stage, third stage, the customers may fall back because you are not catering to the right market. You are not giving the right product or the right service for the right segment of the crowd. So that is another mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs make. Next thing is copying others. This is a very big mistake that most of us do. So it is very important that you have something of your own which is unique. You do the customer survey properly, find out what is their what they require, what is their need or want, and then you cater to them, and make sure you have some unique touch. It has to be something unique where others are not giving. That way you will have a unique demand for yourself, your company, your product or your service. And then the last thing is not starting today. This is the biggest mistake most of the entrepreneurs do. They have the idea, they have the setup, they want to do it, but they keep postponing. You know why the country China is so successful? They never delay anything. They want to do it now, they start it now. They have a schedule to be done today, they will finish it today. Irrespective of whatever the time is, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the midnight, doesn't matter. Finish your work today and then you can go to bed. That is the setup that they have. That's the reason why they are so successful. So if you have a plan which needs to be done, you got to do it today. You can't say I will start it tomorrow, I am lazy, I am feeling tired, I am going to do it on Monday. No. Those are all signs of failure. So I believe these 7 points, if you follow these 7 points, definitely it will benefit you and it will help you to improve your business or service or whatever you're doing. I don't know, it depends on whatever you're doing. So make sure you follow these steps, and I hope you have learned something out of this video. Make sure you give me a like, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.